4 years ago, former NFL offensive lineman Russell Okung made a bold and controversial financial decision that set him apart from his peers. The then Carolina Panthers player famously converted half of his $13 million salary for the 2020 season into Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency that was still viewed as highly speculative. Okung's $6.5 million crypto investment, facilitated through the payment service strike, earned him the title of the first NFL player to effectively take his salary in Bitcoin, even though the transaction was technically an exchange of cash for crypto after payment. At the time, Okung's decision was widely criticized, with many skeptical of the high-risk choice. While the cryptocurrency market had begun to gain public attention, Bitcoin was notorious for its volatility, fluctuating wildly in value over short periods. Nevertheless, Okung, known as much for his business acumen as for his football skills, stuck to his decision, betting that his cryptocurrency holdings would one day yield significant returns. Fast forward to this week, and it appears that Okung's risk may have paid off. Bitcoin recently soared to an all-time high of over $87,000 per coin. To put this into perspective, when Okung made his initial purchase, Bitcoin was trading at around $27,081 on December 29, 2020. At that price, Okung's $6.5 million would have bought him roughly 240 Bitcoins. With the current record high, those holdings would theoretically be worth more than $21 million, bringing the total value of his contract to an impressive $27.8 million, a massive payoff for an investment made in uncertain times and a leap of faith that few could have foreseen. However, the context behind Okung's gain adds complexity to the story. Bitcoin has undergone extreme price fluctuations in recent years. By the end of 2022, for example, Bitcoin's value had dropped below what Okung paid, which would have temporarily left his holdings worth approximately $4 million. During these lows, some questioned whether Okung's Bitcoin experiment had backfired. It's unclear whether he has held on to all his Bitcoin or if he sold portions of it during price spikes, but his recent social media activity, proudly calling out critics, suggests he maintained a significant stake. Interestingly, Okung's Bitcoin success may be connected to a recent shift in the political landscape. Bitcoin's latest rally has been partially fueled by optimism surrounding the 2024 U.S. presidential election, which saw Donald Trump win another term in office. Trump, who has positioned himself as a pro-crypto candidate, has garnered support from cryptocurrency advocates due to his stance on regulatory reform. The crypto community anticipates that his administration will implement policies that could ease regulatory pressures on the industry. In fact, Trump has already suggested he would remove SEC Chair Gary Gensler, known for his strict stance on crypto oversight. This shift in leadership has given a boost to Bitcoin and other digital assets, as industry players expect more favorable conditions.